Hi, this is Timeless Click showing you how to face swap. So to start off, I do have both my images in a folder ready to open, and then I open up Photoshop 2024. I personally like Adobe. So now you want to open and then go on your desktop and find those two or whatever ones you saved to face swap. So you want to hold the first one and shift to click them both, and then open. So as you can see, there's both of them on two different sides. So we're going to be taking the mouth of this one and we're going to be putting it on this one. To make this simple, you go around it pretty wide but not too wide. And you want to command copy, and then you want to command paste. Then you want to use this moving tool on top and move it almost in the position, but you will have to readjust it. So by doing that, you want to do File and then Transform or Free Transform. For mine, I just have to rotate it just a little bit to get it into the right spot, but as you can see, it still doesn't line up with everything. So now that we've done that, I'm trying to move it very tiny with my little arrow keys to get it a little bit closer, a little less work. So I want to push the layers mask, and then click our drawing tool, and making your brush a little bit wider to start off with. So with the black, I'm going around and drawing out the things that I don't need, and it's hiding it. It's not deleting it like if you would use the eraser tool. To get whatever you get back, you just have to flip it to the white. So that's the best part about the layer mask. So as you can see, it's still a little off on this right side. So I zoom in a whole bunch more, change my brush to a little bit smaller, and carve it out. It takes a little bit of precision, and sometimes you gotta keep readjusting to get it right. So now that I think I got it pretty good, I am zooming out, but I can tell I don't like a little spot on it, so I zoom back in and fix it. As you can see, that's what it looks like now that I've done it. You barely can tell. So just a little bit extra I'm going to do is add a little bit of patching, because I don't really like how breaking out my skin is. So on the left side, I click the tool and I do a circle around it and pull off. Just like that. And if I'm not on the right layer, it comes up with that. So when I do want to fix that portion of the layer, I have to click on the different layer, like the background layer or the mouth layer. Just like that. You can get pretty precise with this moment, and there is plenty of other things you can do to make it look its best. But yeah, as you can see, the difference is interesting. You can do this with full heads, just mouths, or any animal or anything you can possibly move. So yeah, thank you for watching.